In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Amazon order history from your mobile. So you can see here that I'm currently on my Amazon app and I've just gone over to my order history. Now, unfortunately, there is no way to actually hide the order history in the app itself. So what you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser. I'm just going to be using Safari. And then you need to head over to the official Amazon.com website and make sure you're logged in to your Amazon account. Then what we need to do is change this from a mobile website to a desktop website. And you can do this by clicking on the icon in the bottom left hand side of the screen, click on the three horizontal dots and then selecting request desktop website. From here, click on your profile name in the top right hand side of the screen, and we can actually zoom in slightly so we can see it a little bit better, and then click on your orders. From this window, you'll be able to see a long list of all of your Amazon order history. You can actually change the time frame here as well, so we can set it to the entire year or we can go back to previous years. And in order to hide and archive one of these orders, all you simply need to do is click on the archive order next to the item that you want to hide, and then we can scroll across and select archive order, and as you can see, that's now disappeared from our orders. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.